Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in Mcx crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are viewing is an 1 hour chart. That means all the single candlestick here represents 1 hour. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. These vertical dotted lines indicates the price opening and closing for the respective days. You can see this black color candlestick that indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere around 5,220. What we expected yesterday was, we expected crude has got the potential to maintain its uptrend, having 5,160 as a major support zone, and we had explained it very clearly why we are maintaining this 5,160 as a support zone. Now let us see what happened after that. After the price opening, you can see the market came down and tested this 5,220. Since the price was staying above 5,220 and 5,200, this is the very potential and very strong zone. It acted as a very strong resistance once the price was staying down below this zone. Now since the price was staying above this, it should act as a support. So this 5,220 initially acted as a support. This is the first support and tried to push the price higher, but it couldn't go and break the high that was created during the price opening. So again there was a failure. The price came down, and the most important thing is we had crude oil inventory report yesterday, and the price broke this zone. Again it came down to 5,200 where we got the support. So the price came down near the average, and again it gave a pullback and closed somewhere around 5,213. So it closed within the zone of 5,200 and 5,220. So what we can do today? So today's price opening, based upon the Mcx price direction, it shows that the price has got the potential to open somewhere near 5,220, which indicates that the price can open bit above the previous day's price closing. So that is what the price direction from Mcx is showing. It may be subjected to changes based upon where the rupee is going to open and how the rupee is going to stay. So what we can do today, we are left with very few options. We know that the price was consolidating in a sideways price direction within 5,160 and 5,200 and 5,220. These are the very strong zone, and the volatility is also low. So these are the various cases. We are closely monitoring this price action within 5,200 and 5,220. The price is really struggling to move, put above very strong, put is very strong price action above 5,200 and 5,220, this zone. So today also we are going to follow the same strategy which we followed yesterday. Till 5,160, we expect that the price can maintain its uptrend. So we are going to wait. We are getting so many questions that why don't we go, whether we can go and sell around 5,200 to 220, since it is acting as a very potential resistance. So the answer for this is that so even though it has hit, it has shown a lot of price actions near this 5,200 and 220. As a trend follower, we don't go against the trend. There is no doubt that the trend till yesterday the price was staying higher. So every day you are getting a new high, and the price is closing within the key zones and staying above the average, which indicates that the price is staying in line with the trend. So once the price comes down, we will go and reverse. If it breaks 5,160 and if it is going to put a strong price action below this, closing below this, we will go and make use of the trend. Once we got hold of the trend, then we know that the crude can move, can show a very good price action. Like what happened, just to remind you, like what happened here. Let us go back and see how the trend picks. So on 17th, you can see the date and time below. On 17th 12 December, the market reversed its trend. Till then it was staying down, so there was a very huge drop. Still then it was staying down. So here it picked the trend. From here, once the market picks the trend, there is nothing for us to hurry in these zones to overdo trading or to lead the market. We don't want to lead the market. So once the market picks the trend, so you see how strong the price action was. These are the very potential and profit making zones. So there is nothing for us to lead the market. So this is the perfect answer which we can provide for you. So we are going to wait and see how the price is going to react in and around 5200 and 220. And also we don't deny the fact the market can find a resistance, but as a trend follower, these are the basic principles which we follow in trading that will always help us during the trading life cycle. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. And thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.